Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will be teaching you how to create automation in Airtable. Pretty easy. Let's just begin. So first of all, you can see we have a couple of options in here: collaboration workspace, workspaces, and other options. So if you want to create a workspace or maybe just get started with a project, simply click on this project option, and in here get options of creating your automations. You can see we have these different projects going up about different type of stuff. So if you want to create an automation, I suggest you, let me just actually go back, and once we are here onto our main dashboard, I'm going to be showing you one thing that you should be keeping in mind if you want to create automation, and that is going to be using AI. So sign up into your account. I have already done that, so simply log in and just hold on a bit until login. Okay, so here as you can see, if I head over to the main dashboard, it does have this AI feature that you can use to easily create your automation. So I highly suggest you using that. This is the new home, so and the new home is gonna be there. And yeah, so you can use your, you can see this is a collaboration workspace, and there we got different type of projects going up, and using the AI is going to be helping you to create automations. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.